So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see the last video that we have left in half. Actually that doesn't work even after that, but today I am going to show you some another way to design that thing again. So let's go for part design. Go for top plane, sketch, and go at select a circle of 60 mm, and the dimension will be of, yeah, let's go with 60. And then what we are going to do, we are going to extrude this, yeah, we will extrude it up to, I think 40 will be okay, and 40, yeah, that's okay, 40 will be okay. So hit okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select the front plane and go for the sketch feature. Okay, so what we are going to do, actually it's not working good. Let's go back once and let's go, sorry, go for the feature, extrude wash base, let's keep it 20. Let me cut the internet first, otherwise it will be giving notification. So 20 mm and 20 mm in the downward direction too. So let's keep it, yeah, now it's 40, or we can increase it by 25, we can do it, yeah, let's keep it 50. So now what we are going to do, we are going to select the front plane, go for the sketch and the, and we are going to select the center rectangle, and let's draw center rectangle over here. Okay, give it a dimension of I think 1 mm will be okay, yeah. And one more thing, what we are going to do, we are going to give this a dimension of 1 mm. Okay, so that's all from here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select the front plane and make another plane over from here. Let's select front plane, go plane, and plane will be, yeah, I think 150 will be okay, or 120 will be 125 will be okay, yeah, 125 will be okay. Let's hit okay, keep the plane selected, go for sketch. And now what we are going to do, we are going to design a rectangle over here. Actually let's give it a dimension. First thing first, let's give it a dimension of 1 mm, because we have given the this rectangle also from 1 mm, and this will be of let's give it 150 mm, yeah, that's okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to first rebuild this and select the sketch 4 and go for feature lofted boss base, and let's go select the sketch 3. So what we can see, it's not adjusting right in the right manner. So what we are going to do, we are going to drag this to downward, yeah. And if we see from the front view, let's see with the top view, it's diverging to opposite side. So what we are going to do, we are going to do this, or yeah, now that's okay, it's okay now. So hit okay. So now it's looking like a fin. Now what we are going to do, we are going to firstly circulate this. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to select the circular pattern and select this face, and for the direction we are going to select this. So 3 will be okay, so hit okay. The 3 parts are drawn now. Now what we are going to do, we are going to cut these corners. So for that we are going to select the fillet, and the dimension of the fillet will be 20 mm, I think so. Let's first draw, then we will check what we can keep. So select the edges of these fins, and let's hit OK. What happened? Cannot create a value field. Oh, sorry. I think the edges are not selected perfectly. Uh, let's cancel it. Let's select it again. Let's go for first two part. First one and the second one. Hit OK. Cannot create a valid fillet chamfer because either this filleted chamfer face is self-intersecting or its loop is bad. Close. Let's see first what's the issue. Will it go with this? No, please select at least one face for each face set. OK. Let's go select the faces. First face, second face. Hit OK. Cancel it. Let's see why it's not getting filleted. Last time I tried it worked. Oh, I think so. What's the problem? Let's delete this first. Let's check for first over here. Fillet. Will it work? No. Oh, why this? No. That's okay. Oh. Uh, let's go again. Let's delete this loft and let's create another loft wash base. Let's select first plane to be sketch 3 and second plane to be, but why isn't it working? Let's see again once more. It will work or not. Again same issue. Yeah, 10 mm is okay. So 10 mm will be okay for that. So for what we are going to do, we are going to use the circular pattern for this. Go with the circular pattern, select this loft, select this rotation, hit OK, and then we go for fillet and then select the edges. First edge, second edge, let's go with third edge, fourth, fifth, and last not the least, sixth. Hit OK. Now the fan is ready. So now what we have to do, we have to select this pen, go for cell, and for what's going on, and it's not working. Right, again we go for cell. What's happening here? Go for cells. What's going? Yeah, select this face. Let's give it a dimension of 5 mm. So preview, it will show here the cell. It's taking some time. Let's see. What's happening? Come on, it okay. Let's see, will it take? Oh, my Solidworks is not working correctly. It's not getting correct. So I'm going to manually cut it out, and then last time I was trying that it was working quite okay, but I don't know why it's taking so much time. Let's hit. Let's go for top plane. Actually, let's go for a top plane here. Yeah. So this is the top plane. So from back side, we are going for a sketch. Sketch over here. Let's select a circle. Draw a circle over here. Of dimension will be 55, and another circle we are going to draw over here. There will be of 20 mm. Okay, and now what we are going to do, we are going for the feature extrude cut, and we are going to cut it to the 40 mm. So for now we are going to select this, go for sketch, and what we are going to do, we are going to select the center. Yeah, this one, and another, this one. So for the dimensions we are going to select this as of 10 mm, and this too as a 10 mm. Now what we are going to do, we are going to draw a circle over here, and now we are going for the trim part. So for trimming, let's go with this. And one thing I forgot to do, let's, why does I do that? Let's go for sketch again, and we are going to select this, convert the entities, and now we are going for the trim part. Okay, let's hit this, and we are going to hit these two. let's yeah, this is our left. So the let's go for feature extrude boss base. We are going to extrude this part, this part, this part, and this part. Hit OK. So it's more like looking. Now we are going to select this, go for sketch, sketch, and carve a hole over here of 10 mm. Feature extrude cut, and it will be of 20, now 15. That's okay. So now our fan is ready, as we can see that. So that's all for today, guys. It's already too late. So bye bye.